Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss the top 5 symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor, and why it's essential for all car owners to be vigilant about these indicators. So, let's get started on this important topic. First things first, let's talk about the problem at hand, how a faulty oxygen sensor can wreak havoc on your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. From causing your engine to run rough to reducing your gas mileage, a malfunctioning sensor can lead to a host of issues that can impact your driving experience. Now, let's delve into the 5 main signs that could indicate a faulty oxygen sensor. Keep an eye out for symptoms like poor gas mileage, rough idling, engine hesitation, increased emissions, and the infamous check engine light. These warning signs can signal that your oxygen sensor needs attention to keep your car running smoothly. Symptom 1. Poor gas mileage. The oxygen sensor is a crucial component responsible for managing your vehicle's fuel consumption. Imagine this: a faulty oxygen sensor could be silently robbing you of fuel efficiency and increasing harmful emissions from your vehicle. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how the oxygen sensor works its magic. By measuring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, it helps adjust the fuel mixture to optimize performance and efficiency. But here's the kicker: ignore a malfunctioning sensor, and you could be looking at serious consequences like engine damage and lackluster performance. In a nutshell, maintaining a healthy oxygen sensor is key to unlocking peak fuel efficiency and ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Symptom 2. Rough idling. Rough idling in cars can be a real headache, causing vibrations and discomfort while your vehicle is stationary. One of the common culprits behind this issue is a faulty oxygen sensor. Let's dive deeper into this problem. A faulty oxygen sensor can wreak havoc on your car's performance. It can lead to rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and even potential damage to the engine. Understanding the role of this sensor is crucial in maintaining your vehicle's health. The oxygen sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. It then sends signals to the engine's computer to adjust the fuel mixture for optimal performance. When this sensor malfunctions, it can disrupt this delicate balance, causing rough idling. Symptom 3. Engine hesitation. The O2 sensor. This little component plays a crucial role in ensuring your engine runs smoothly by monitoring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. Sounds important, right? You bet it is. Now, here's where things get interesting. Many car owners often jump to conclusions when they experience engine hesitation and immediately blame the O2 sensor. But hold your horses. The truth is, there are common misconceptions and errors that lead to engine hesitation, and the O2 sensor might not always be the culprit. Let's dive deeper into the nitty-gritty details. A faulty O2 sensor can mess up your air-fuel mixture, throw your engine performance off balance, and even trigger that dreaded check engine light. But here's the kicker: before you rush to replace the O2 sensor, it's crucial to explore other potential causes of engine hesitation. So, what's the key insight here? The crucial mistake many car owners make is not addressing other underlying issues that could be causing engine hesitation before blaming the O2 sensor. It's like putting a band-aid on a wound without cleaning it first. It might cover the problem temporarily, but it won't fix the root cause. Always remember the importance of diagnosing the root cause of engine hesitation before resorting to O2 sensor replacement. Taking the time to investigate other possible issues can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration in the long run. 4. Increased emissions. What happens when O2 sensors malfunction? Well, that's when things start to go downhill. When these sensors don't work properly, they can't accurately measure the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, leading to increased emissions that harm the air we breathe. O2 sensors are like the guardians of our engine, constantly monitoring and adjusting the air-fuel mixture to ensure optimal combustion. By doing so, they help reduce harmful emissions like nitrogen oxides and carbon monoxide, making our cars more eco-friendly. Now, here comes the alarming part. A recent O2 sensor test revealed a significant increase in emissions due to faulty sensors. The numbers don't lie, and it's clear that we need to pay more attention to the health of these crucial components. In summary, it's essential to regularly check and replace O2 sensors to keep emissions in check and protect our environment. By taking care of these small but mighty devices, we can all play a part in reducing our carbon footprint and preserving the planet for future generations. 5. Check engine light. A common culprit behind that pesky check engine light, the O2 sensor. This tiny component plays a significant role in your car's engine system, so it's crucial to understand its function and potential issues. While a faulty O2 sensor can indeed trigger the check engine light, it's not the only culprit. Various factors, such as a loose gas cap or a failing catalytic converter, can also lead to the dreaded warning light. That's why a proper diagnosis by a qualified mechanic is crucial to pinpoint the exact issue. It's crucial to address oxygen sensor issues promptly to prevent more serious and costly engine problems down the line. By taking action early on, you can avoid potential breakdowns and ensure that your vehicle remains in top condition for the long haul. In conclusion, always stay alert to the signs of a faulty oxygen sensor and prioritize regular vehicle maintenance to nip any issues in the bud. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car, so don't overlook the importance of keeping an eye on your oxygen sensor's health. Before we wrap up, I encourage all viewers to check their oxygen sensors if they notice any of the signs we've discussed today. And as always, feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments section below. Your feedback and engagement are greatly appreciated. And that's a wrap for today's video on 5 signs your oxygen sensor is faulty. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed. See you in the next video.